Good evening, guys. Just editing the video from last night. We got the engine dynoed. Chip Hackman, friend of mine from high school, we've actually known since 15 years old. So not going to say how long that is, but more than 40 years. How's that? So anyway, found Chip through some Facebook buddies on St. Louis Cars and Caffeine, and also Doug, who did the motor I mentioned earlier. AMT Performance. Chip has Competition Marine. And anyway, long story short, Doug did the motor, Chip's doing the dyno work. Enjoy the video. I'm not going to chat too much here, but there she is, all home and ready to go in the car. And keep an eye on the next video. It's Saturday now. We did this last night. I got home about 11:30. Didn't feel like editing this last night, but pretty damn exciting. And there'll be some more stuff coming up with the engine install on Sunday. I got everything laid out today. Got everything cleaned up. Got the clutch Quartermaster 7 1/4 Pro Series all cleaned up and checked all the disc thicknesses, etc., etc. I got everything cleaned up, and she's ready to go. So tomorrow's the install. Enjoy this video. Towards the end of it, I lost count of how many runs we made. I think we made 7 runs altogether. But total of 503 horsepower, 480 foot-pounds of torque, plus or minus. And as you'll see in the video, very flat curve on the dyno. Fabulous from 3,000, which, as you guys know, we need to be able to pull out of from 3,000 RPMs. We only ran it up to 6,800, which everybody kind of on the dynos kind of stops there. We can run the motor past there, but I'll set the rev limiter at about 65 to give my brain a little time to catch up and run it to 7,000 RPMs plus or minus. But look out, because some of you guys may be making more horsepower, but wait till you see this torque curve. So enjoy, guys. So we have arrived. Competition Marine, you'll meet Chip here in a second. He's got some run time in the motor, and we're going to see how she dynos here.
I'm just warming it up. And I like in doing that, I can watch air-fuel ratios.
Under load?
Yeah, well, from wide open.
Also, we were kind of bullshitting around with the boys after we got done, and I was asking the guys, you guys may not know, but keep an eye on some other videos coming, because I'm going to get this car done for Sebring. I've got another car, a 69 GTO that I'm doing with my nephew Jeremy, and we were talking and found these wheels that Chip has, and he's also got some air conditioning parts I need for a 38,000 mile complete numbers matching 69 GTO coupe with a 400 YS motor, 360 horse, automatic, and I've also got something unusual in it, hers automatic transmission. But anyway, we'll get into that later, and enjoy the rest of the video. Wow, was that drop?
My pressure, these are all dampened gauges, so the motor reacts a lot faster than by the time it comes through all the pressure sensors.
Seems to be liking that advance. Last run. That one's mine.
It'll vibrate off.
Don't want to waste a beer.
What? We can probably go get us some beer and come back. It'll take a while.
What? What?
That's a long pole. Oh, dang.
That's what we end up.
Runtime.
Yep.
That's a 28-second run.
So your time in between is close?
Yeah, she's basically pulling